Yes, namaste to all. Welcome to Disha online classes. So in the previous video, we proved, okay, we derived cos of x plus y, that is compound angle, okay, and from that cos of x plus y, we will come to know the results. That means sin of x plus y, sin of x minus y, and also tan of x plus y and tan of x minus y. Okay, so from those results, we'll see some of the results also. But actually, these results will helps you to solve the many problems in calculus. Okay, we'll come to know. In second PUC, there is a integration and again differentiability. Okay, so in first PUC, derivative is there. Okay, in that we need these results. So we'll know one by one. So take down first one. If angles x comma y and x plus y are not a multiple of pi, then prove that cot of x plus y, which is equals to cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Okay, so here x, y and x plus y are angles which are not a multiple of pi, and we need to prove that cot of x plus y is equals to cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So let's see. So proof. So LHS, which is equals to cot of x plus y, So cot theta, that is cot of x plus y, can be written as cos of x plus y divided by sin of x plus y. Okay, so cot theta is cos theta divided by sin theta. See here, angles x, y and x plus y are not a multiple of pi, because if suppose x plus y is a multiple of pi, let us take x plus y is pi. See, sin of x plus y, that is sin of pi. So sin of pi value is 0. So anything divided by 0, so not defined. So that to avoid that, here angle x, y and x plus y are not a multiple of pi. So again, we know cos of x plus y is equals to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y divided by sin of x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Okay, here in cot of x plus y we need 1 in this place. Okay, that means we need here also 1. We need to make sin x into sin y 1. So what we need to do, just dividing numerator and denominator by this term, that is sin x into sin y, then here we will get 1. Okay, so dividing or write down here only, dividing numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y, then so which is equals to, that is LHS, which is equals to, so after dividing numerator and denominator by sin x into sin y, what we will get actually, that is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. Okay, which is divided by sin x into sin y, here also sin x into sin y, whole divided by So sin x into cos y divided by sin x into sin y plus cos x into sin y divided by sin x into sin y. So now some of the terms will get cancelled. So see, observe here. Here entire sin x sin y get cancelled. So then next here sin x cancelled. Here sin y cancelled. Okay. So remaining terms which is equals to, see, cos x divided by sin x is cot x into cos y divided by sin y cot y minus 1 divided by cos y divided by sin y is cot y plus cos x divided by sin x is cot x. So that is LHS is cot of x plus y. So cot of x plus y is equals to cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So this is actually RHS. Okay. So in generally, so cot of x plus y is equals to cot x into cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. So see, this result is very important. So similarly, again, cot of x minus y. This is for x plus y. So if angles are taken difference, that means x minus y. So cot of x minus y is equals to cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Same result. Just take down that for homework. Okay. So for homework problem, that is cot of x minus y, cot of x minus y, which is equals to cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. This is for your homework. Okay. Cot of x minus y is equals to cot x into cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. Homework problem. Okay. Do it. And then next. See, these results, trigonometric formulas are very, very important. Without these, there is no calculus at all. Okay? So, these formulas bandre, nimge calculus problems na solve madಲಿಕ್ಕೆ easy ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay? Right. So, next, second one. Prove that cos of 2x multiple angles. Okay, your angle is multiplied with x. Okay, cos of 2x angle is multiplied with the number. So cos of 2x is equals to, prove that cos of 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Yes. So how to prove? So prove. So we know already. That is cos of x plus y, correct na? So cos of x plus y, which is equals to, so expansion, that is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. See, observe here cos x into cos y is there. So here in the right hand side we need to get cos square x. That means here cos x into cos x. Suppose cos x into cos x, that is cos square x. So here in place of y we need x. Correct? Similarly here also in place of y we need x. So just replace y by x. Okay? Replacing y by x. Okay? So that is cos of x plus x, which is equals to cos x into cos x minus sin x into sin x. So in place of y is x. So cos of x plus x is, that is cos of 2x, which is equals to cos x into cos x, that is cos square x minus sin x into sin x is, that is again sin square x. Okay, so cos of 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. Cos of 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. See, from this cos of x plus y, we derive cos 2x. That is cos square x minus sin square x. Again from this result, again there is a result also. Okay, that means we need to link one result with another. ಆಯ್ತು, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಿಂದ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಓಕೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲಿಂಕ್ ನೆನಪಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆನೇ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡೆ, ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್, prove that sin cos 2x is equals to, prove that cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Just now we proved that is cos of 2x is equals to, that is cos square x minus sin square x. So the next third one is, that is cos 2x equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Next, so we know that, so the result, that is now cos of 2x, just now we proved. Okay, so cos of 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So we need 2 times of cos square x. That means in this term we need to express entirely in terms of cos function. So sin square x in terms of cos, how to write? So we know the result is cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So then sin square theta is equals to, that is 1 minus cos square theta. So that is sin square x is equals to, sin square x is equals to 1 minus cos square x. Okay, so cos square x minus into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 to minus, that is plus cos square x. So cos square x plus cos square x is, that is 2 cos square x minus 1. Therefore cos of 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so cos of 2x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So that means cos 2x is equals to cos square x minus sin square. So again, which is equals to, so again 2 cos square x minus 1. And again one more formula is there. See, this is in terms of cos function and sin, and then this is completely in terms of cos. Third one is completely in terms of sin function. Okay, we'll see. You know, this one here sin square x is there. Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square x. Okay, right. And fourth one, that is again prove that cos 2x is equals to, cos 2x is equals to, fourth problem, 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, so again we know that result, that is cos of 2x, which is equals to cos square x minus sin square x. That means we need completely in terms of sin function. So just write down cos square in terms of sin. So cos square x is equals to 1 minus sin square x. Okay, minus sin square x. So which is equals to, so 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x is, that is minus 2 sin square x. So that cos 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus 2 sin square x. So again take down these formulas. Okay, from cos of x plus y, write down all the results, all the formulas in one page. Okay, so cos of 2x is equals to 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here in place of cos square x, that is 1 minus sin square x. Okay, so then minus sin square x is, that is minus 2 sin square x. Okay, yes. So cos of 2x, this is for the cos function. Okay, multiple angle for the cos function. Then we will move to the sin function. Okay, so sin 2x is equals to, what are the results are there? So fifth one, prove that sin 2x is equals to, prove that sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. So proof, we know the result, that is sin of x plus y. So sin of x plus y is equals to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Okay, so sin of x plus y is equals to sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. So here we need 2 times of x. That means replace y by x. So replacing y by x. So after replacing y by x, so that is sin of x plus x, which is equals to, so sin x into, in place of y substitute x, so that is cos x plus cos x into, in place of y again, that is x, so sin x. So observe, this is sin x into cos x plus cos x into sin y. Cos x into sin x is the same as the sin x into cos x. Okay, because of commutative property. So which is equals to 2 times of sin x into cos x. So therefore here sin of x plus x, that is sin of 2x, which is equals to 2 times of sin x into cos x. Okay, so now sin 2x is equals to 2 times of sin x into cos 2x. So 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so this is the about the sin 2x, multiple angle sin of 2x. So then next, sixth one, see formula bhala important ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so prove that sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Sorry, 1 plus tan square x. So sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So proof. So here sin 2x, we know that take LHS, that is sin of 2x. We know sin 2x is equals to, that is 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x. Okay, so now just I will make this arrangement, that is 2 sin x into cos x as, which is divided by sin square x plus cos square x. Okay, so sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x into, okay, so here whole divided by 1, correct na? 2 sin x into cos x whole divided by 1. So this 1 can be written as, in terms of trigonometry function, that is sin square x plus cos square x. So sin square x plus cos square x. Now see, observe, in this place we need 1, correct na? Here 1 is there na? So here we need to get 1. So dividing numerator and denominator by sin square x. So dividing dividing numerator and denominator by sin square x. So which is equals to, after dividing numerator and denominator by sin square x, so what actually we will get? That is 2 times of sin x into cos x divided by sin square x. Wait a minute. That means, see, we need to get tan square x, na? So just divide by cos square x, not sin square x. Because, of course, here we need to get 1. So I will get here 1. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಅನ್ನು ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. 1 plus tan square x. Okay? So here we need to get 1. So that dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x, then only we will get here tan square x. ಆಯ್ತು? ಇಲ್ಲಿ tan square ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು cos square x ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. numerator ಮತ್ತು denominator. So that is 2 times of sin x into cos x divided by cos square x, okay, whole divided by here sin square x divided by cos square x plus cos square x divided by cos square x. So now this is the whole divide, okay, which is equals to, so here cos x and cos x get cancelled. So 2 times of sin x by cos x is, that is 2 times of sin x by cos x is tan x. Okay. Next, sin square x by cos square x is tan square x plus 1. So that is tan square x plus 1. So this is the RHS part. Okay. So sin 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So first write down sin 2x formula, that is 2 sin x into cos x. So here whole divided by 1 is there. So 1 can be expressed as sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is sin square x plus cos square x. And then next step is dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. Okay, dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. So after that, dividing cos square x numerator and denominator, here cos x, here cos x, here 1 cos x get cancelled. So remaining term sin x by cos x. So sin x by cos x is, that is tan x. To keep as it is. Whole divided by sin square x divided by cos square x is, that is tan square x plus cos square x cancelled. So that is 1. Okay. So sin 2x is equals to again 2 times of tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So then next, see, cos 2x in terms of cos and sin, and completely in terms of cos, completely in terms of sin. Here sin 2x in terms of sin and cos, product of sin and cos. Okay. Here completely in terms of a tan function. Now, is there any formula cos 2x in terms of tan function? Let us see. From the known result only we will prove. Okay. ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನೆನ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ಬಹಳ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ. ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ. ರೈಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 7th one. Prove that cos of 2x which is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, cos of 2x is equals to 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. So we know, so that is proof. See, LHS part, cos of 2x. So cos 2x formula, that is first one, cos square x minus sin square x. Cos square x minus sin square x. See, cos square x minus sin square x whole divided by 1. Correct? No? So this 1 can be written as again cos square x plus sin square x. So cos square x minus sin square x whole divided by cos square x plus sin square x, because cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. See, we need one term. Correct? Na? That means dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. So dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x. So after dividing numerator and denominator by cos square x, we will get the, so cos square x divided by cos square x is 1 minus sin square x by cos square x is, that is tan square x whole divided by, similarly here also 1 plus sin square x by cos square x is, that is tan square x. So this is RHS. So again cos 2x, which is equals to, this is first one, this is second one, third and fourth result, that is 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay, cos 2x completely in terms of, there are 4 formulas. Cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and lastly that is in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Similarly, sin function, that is 2 sin 2x is equals to 2 sin x into cos x. So 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Okay. Then next, multiple angle of sin function is over, cos is over. Then third, that is tan function, that is tan of 2x. Then order. So 8th one, prove that tan of 2x, which is equals to, tan of 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So proof, so LHS, which is equals to, that is tan of 2x. Okay, so from this tan of 2x we need to derive 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. We need to prove that. Okay, so tan of 2x can be written as tan of 2x, that is x plus x. Okay, I will write 2x as x plus x. So now this is of the form tan of x plus y. Okay, so tan of x plus y is equals to, we already proved, that is tan x plus tan y. Here y is x is there, so tan x divided by 1 minus, that is tan x into tan y. So tan x into tan x. So since this is because of tan of x plus y, which is equals to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y. So in place of here y, x is there, so that tan x plus tan x divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x. So equal to, so tan x plus tan x, that is 2 times of tan x. Okay, whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan x, tan square x. So this is RHS. So that tan 2x is equals to, tan of 2x is equals to, that is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula. Okay, so tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, these are all the multiple angles for sine function, cos function and tan function. Okay, so cos 2x is cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, lastly that is in terms of tan, 1 minus tan square x divided by 1 plus tan square x. Similarly for sin 2x, 2 sin x into cos x divided by 2 sin x divided by 1 plus tan square x, 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and lastly that is tan 2x is equals to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, yes, list all these formulas on the page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಈಗಿನ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್, next ninth question is tan 2x is what, sin 2x is what, cos 2x is what. Then we will move to the sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x. Okay, let us see. This is all about the 2x. If angle is given multiple of 2. Okay, now the angle is multiplied with 3. Then formulas. Okay, results. Yes. So ninth one, prove that sin 3x, sin of 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Okay, so proof. So in LHS is sin of 3x is there. Okay, so this sin of 3x can be written as, sin of 3x can be written as sin of x plus 2x. Okay, shall I write sin 3x as, I will split 3x, 3 times of x as 1 times of x plus 2x. Okay, then next, then we use the formula sin of x plus y, sin of x plus y. This term is x and this is y. So sin of x plus y is equals to sin x into cos x, sin x into cos y. Here y is, that is 2x is there. So sin x into cos 2x plus next cos x into sin y. Y is here 2x, so sin 2x. Okay, so sin 3x is sin of x plus 2x. Then next is sin of x plus y formula. So sin of x plus y is sin x into cos y plus cos x into sin y. Here angle y is 2x. See, sin 3x completely in terms of sin function is there. That means we need to express completely this cos 2x and cos x in terms of sin function. Okay, and here angle is only x is there, correct na? So that means here sin 2x is there, we need to use again sin 2x expansion. Yes, so which is equals to, keep this sin x as it is, yes, cos 2x in terms of sin, only in terms of sin. Okay, cos 2x, there are 4 formulas are there. In that 4 formula we need to use only in terms of sin. In terms of sin, that is cos 2x is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, plus next keep this cos function as it is into sin 2x, that is 2 sin x into cos x, 2 sin x into cos x, which is equal to sin x. Just multiply sin x inside the bracket, that is sin x into 1 is sin x minus 2 sin square x into sin x is, that is 2 times of sin cube x, plus here cos x into cos x is cos square x. Okay, so here cos x into cos x is cos square x. So write down 2 sin x as it is, 2 sin x into cos x into cos x, cos square x, cos square x, and then next which is equals to sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus 2 sin x. Yes, cos square x, again in terms of sine function, only cos square x. So that can be written as 1 minus sin square x. Okay, because sin square x plus cos square x is 1. So that cos square x is 1 minus sin square x. Equal to so LHS, which is equals to, that is sin 3x, which is equals to, here sin x minus 2 sin cube x plus, just multiply this 2 sin x inside the bracket. So 2 sin x into 1 is 2 sin x minus, here 2 sin x into sin square x is there. So sin x into sin square x, sin cube x. So 2 times of sin cube x. Okay, and the next is just here sin 1 times of sin x is, here 2 times of sin x is there. Okay, so that is 3 times of sin x. Next here minus 2 sin cube x, here also minus 2 sin cube x. So that is minus 4 sin cube x. So therefore sin of 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So this is the result. Sin 3x is equals to 3 of sin x minus 4 sin cube x. This formula is very, very important. Okay, this formula is very sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. And next one is, that is cos 3x. Okay. Yes. The next 10th one, that is cos 3x. Okay, we need to prove cos 3x. So cos 3x is equals to, so prove that cos of 3x is equals to, so see sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. So proof LHS, which is equals to cos of 3x. So this cos of 3x can be written as, so cos of 3x is, that is 2x plus x or x plus 2x. Okay. So the next step is we need to use, that is cos of x plus y. Okay. So cos of x plus y result, that is cos x into cos y, that is cos x minus sin x. So that is sin 2x into sin y. Here y is x is there. Okay. So cos 2x into cos x minus sin 2x into sin x. So here you the result, that is cos of x plus y. So equal to cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y, which is equals to, see cos 3x completely in terms of cos function is there. So that we need to reduce this cos 2x in terms of only cos x. Similarly sin 2x in terms of cos. So cos 2x in terms of completely cos formula, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x minus sin 2x. So sin 2x formula, that is 2 sin x into cos x into sin x, which is equals to, now again, so multiply this cos x inside the bracket. So that is 2 cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x, 2 cos cube x minus 1 into cos x is, that is cos x. Okay. Next minus 2 times of sin x into cos x, 2 times of sin x into sin x is that is sin square x. So 2 sin square x into cos x. Okay, yes. So the next is 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square x into cos x. So which is equals to, that is cos of 3x is equals to 2 cos cube x minus cos x as it is. Next, sin square x in terms of cos. So how to write? Sin square x only in terms of cos. So cos 3x which is equals to 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sin square x, 2 times of sin square x, we can write 1 minus cos square x into cos x as it is. So the next is, which is equal to 2 cos cube x minus cos x s minus 2 times of cos x is there here, okay. So 2 cos x into 1 is, that is 2 cos x, okay. See, 2 times of cos x into 1 minus cos square x is there, okay. 2 times of cos x into 1 is, that is minus 2 cos x minus cos square x into cos x into 2, that is 2 times of cos cube x, 2 times of cos cube x. So that here 2 cos cube x, wait a minute, see here minus is there na, so minus into minus, that is plus, okay. Minus 2 times of 1, that is minus 2. So again cos x is multiplied, so cos x into 1 is, that is minus 2 cos x. Minus into minus plus, so 2 times of cos square x into cos x is, that is 2 times of cos cube x. So the next step is, so here 2 cos cube x, here also 2 cos cube x. So 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x, that is 4 cos cube x minus cos x is, minus 2 cos x is minus 3 cos x. So therefore cos of 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, this is the formula. So sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x into minus 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So cos cube x is equals to, cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay. And the next is tan 3x. Okay, this is clear na? See here, cos of 3x is there. 3x can be written as 2x plus x. So now we need to use here cos of x plus y result. So cos of x plus y is cos x into cos y minus sin x into sin y. So cos of x plus y, so here we get minus sin. That I agree. So then next is cos 2x in terms of cos is, that is 2 cos square x minus 1 into cos x as it is minus sin 2x is 2 sin x into cos x and sin x as it is. So the next step is, so multiply cos x inside the bracket, that is 2 times of cos square x into cos x is 2 cos cube x minus 1 into cos x is cos x. Next minus, here sin x into sin x is sin square x, so 2 times of sin square x into cos square x. So the next step is, keep this 2 cos cube x minus cos x as it is, 2 cos cube x minus sin x cos x as it is. So then express this sin square x in terms of cos function, so that is 1 minus cos square x, because sin square x plus cos square x is 1, so that sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x into cos x. So the next step is 2 times of cos x is there here. So multiply this 2 times of cos x inside the bracket, that is 2 cos x into 1 is 2 cos x. Outside minus sign is there. So minus 2 cos x into minus cos square x is, that is plus 2 cos cube x. So then next step is 2 cos cube x plus 2 cos cube x is 4 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 cos x is minus 3 cos x. So that cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Okay, yes. And lastly, that is tan of 3x. Okay, 11th one, That is, we need to prove tan of 3x. Yes. Prove that tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 divided by, tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 plus 3 tan square x. Just a minute. Yes, minus 3 tan square x. Okay. So how to prove? Again, same this problem. Same by exponential method. That is, this 3x can be written as x plus 2x. Okay. So again, we need to use tan of x plus y result. See, prove. So LHS, that is tan of 3x is there. So again this tan of 3x can be written as tan of x plus 2x. Okay. So tan of x plus y formula, that is tan x plus tan y, that is tan of 2x, divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, that is tan of 2x. Okay, so 3x can be written as x plus 2x, and this tan of x plus y result, tan of x plus y is equal to tan of x plus tan of y, here y is 2x is there, divided by 1 minus tan x into tan 2x. So again we need to use a result, that is tan of 2x. So tan 2x is equals to, see, which is equals to tan x plus tan 2x is 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, whole divided by 1 minus tan x into tan 2x again 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so tan of 2x formula, 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So LHS, which is equals to, see, your numerator LCM, that is 1 minus tan square x is the LCM. So multiply tan x into LCM is 1 minus tan square x. Okay, LCM is 1 minus tan square x. So tan x into 1 minus tan square x. Next, plus 2 times of tan x. Okay, this is for the numerator function. This is whole divided by. Okay, yes. And denominator again LCM 1 minus tan square x. Okay, so again 1 minus tan square x is the LCM. So here 1 into 1 minus tan square x. So 1 minus tan square x. Then next, minus of 2 tan x into tan x is, that is minus 2 tan square x. So the next step is terms will get cancelled. Here 1 minus tan square x, here also 1 minus tan square x cancelled. So remaining, see, tan x into tan x, tan x into 1 is, that is tan x, minus tan x into tan square x is, that is tan cube x, plus 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x minus 2 tan square x is minus 3 tan square x. So which is equals to, so tan x plus 2 tan x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. So that is, this is RHS. Okay, so tan 3x is equals to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, so angles which are multiplied with 2 is what? Again multiplied with 3. Okay, so that is sin 2x, cos 2x, tan 2x, and then next is sin 3x, cos 3x and tan 3x. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಇವತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ವೇದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ, ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. And then next is yes, okay. These are all about the multiple angles. Okay, angle is multiplied with 2 and angle is multiplied with 3 and so on. So similarly, we'll see some more problems, okay, in the next class. And one thing is important. These formulas are very very important. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUCಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಹಳ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವಾಗ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ದಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 1 ನ ಒಂದು ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಡೈಲಿ ಓದ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. In the next class we will do some more problems again. Okay, thank you to all. Namaste.